Let's say we have a list of numbers, and we want to remove all the even numbers. So you might write something like this. Loop through the list, and if the number is even, remove it. Seems perfectly fine, right? But here's the problem. When I run this, the result looks correct at first glance, but in many cases, Python actually skips some numbers. Wait, what? How can it skip values in a loop? Here's what's really happening. When you remove an item from a list, the list shifts. All the elements move to the left. But the loop is still moving forward, so one item gets skipped without you noticing. That means your code is not removing everything you think it is, and this bug is very hard to catch. So, what's the correct way? Instead of modifying the list while looping, create a new list. For example, keep only the numbers that are not even, or loop over a copy of the list. And now, everything works as expected. This is one of those bugs that looks correct, but quietly breaks your code.